Welcome to the TASKI ProCarpet 30 and ProCarpet 45 installation and in-use instructional video. This portion of the video will demonstrate the proper use of the machine. We will cover the preparation, operation, and daily maintenance of the machine. By following these instructions, you will ensure your TASKI ProCarpet machine is in its best working order. Be sure to properly clean the area before using the TASKI ProCarpet. It's always best to spot clean as needed and vacuum the area. Depending on your cleaning process, you may want to use a pre-spray on the carpet to loosen soil prior to extraction. Always be sure to follow proper safety procedures and place caution signs to indicate work is being done. To set up the machine, you will need to add water or properly diluted chemicals into the solution tank. Always read the instructions and warnings on all chemicals you are using and be sure to use proper protective equipment. Install the brush into the machine. Please note there are two different types of brushes that can be used on the application. You will want to use the black brush with the red wear indicator for extraction. You will want to use the white brush or the black brush with white wear indicator for interim cleaning. Please note you may not get the desired results if the correct brush is not used. Once the machine has been prepared with solution and the proper brush has been installed, unwind the power cord from the machine and plug it in. Be sure to lower the brush and vacuum head by using the foot pedal. This will ensure the brush and vacuum squeegee are in proper contact with the floor. Depending on the type of carpet and desired cleaning results, the brush pressure can be adjusted by turning the selector switch. One will offer the lowest brush pressure and can be increased up to number 4 to offer the highest brush pressure. If using the ProCarpet 45, adjust the handle as needed. If using the ProCarpet 30, you will use this machine in a traditional pull method. Next, you'll want to turn the machine on using the on-off switch. The switch should light up when moved into the on position. Select the cleaning method. The number 1 position is used for interim cleaning. This setting applies a light solution onto the carpet and the encapsulation brush agitates the product into the carpet. The vacuum will not be on during this cleaning application. To apply the encapsulation product and start the brush, pull the trigger located on the handle and start to move the machine. If added brushing is needed, the machine application switch can be placed in the center position that uses brush only. The number 2 position is used for deep extraction. This setting applies a heavier solution onto the carpet, brushes the carpet to break down soils, and then recovers with the vacuum squeegee. Be sure to release the trigger when moving the machine back into position. When cleaning and deep extraction, it's best to overlap your cleaning path to ensure the area is evenly cleaned and will give you better end results. If additional water pickup is needed, you can run the machine over a previously cleaned area not using the trigger. This will allow the vacuum to pick up any residual water chemical without adding additional cleaning solution to the carpet. Be careful not to overbrush or oversaturate an area. Either machine can be set up with a hose and wand or hose and hand tool for additional cleaning application. The hose and wand is helpful to get into areas where the machine cannot reach, and the hand tool is great for upholstery cleaning. Please note these tools will be used in the number 2 position for extraction. When the cleaning activity is done, turn off the machine. If the hose, wand, or hand tool have been used, be sure to release any pressure by pulling down on the trigger of either the wand or the hand tool before disconnecting the tool from the machine. You will want to place the unit back into transportation mode by using the foot pedal. This will help to prevent damage to the brush and vacuum squeegee. It will also allow for easier transport. Next, remove the dome from the recovery tank, disconnecting the vacuum hoses. Remove and rinse the vacuum filter. This is part of the yellow daily maintenance points. Be sure to clean and replace. This will help protect the vacuum motor. Next, you will also want to flush out the cover. Place back onto the machine. be sure to leave the recovery tank vented to allow it to dry properly. Next, you will want to drain any residual liquid from the solution tank. This can be done with the drain hose that has the blue cap attached on it, located on the back of the machine. You can also drain the solution tank in a floor drain by removing the solution filter. Or you can drain the solution tank by connecting the drain hose to the solution line on the back of the machine. Please note the machine will need to be plugged in if using this method and turned on. You will also want to empty the recovery tank and rinse. This can be done through the discharge hose located on the back of the machine. The recovery tank can also be removed if needed. Next, you'll want to remove the brush and rinse. This is also a yellow daily maintenance point. Periodically, you will want to check the solution filter. It can be removed with the attached tool. Be sure to do this over a floor drain. Periodically, you will also want to check the spray nozzles. They can be removed with the attached tool. The spray nozzles can then be soaked in a cleaning solution if needed. Never attempt to scrape out debris from the nozzles as it may damage the nozzle heads. After the machine has gone through its maintenance process, wipe down the machine and allow it to dry. Leave the recovery dome slightly open to allow for venting and drying. Leave the solution tank cover vented to allow for drying as well. The brush can be left installed. Just be sure to leave the machine in the transportation mode to prevent damage to the brush. Store the machine in an area where it can dry. Thank you for using the TASKI ProCarpet 30, ProCarpet 45 carpet care system.